Hello, welcome back to the Twisted Hazel again, everyone. I've just had a package delivered and I'm quite excited because I think it's actually the last pair of jeans for my bootcut series. Let's have a look. There it is, this package. It looks like it could be a pair of jeans. Let's have a look. Okay, here they are. Let's open them up, hopefully without cutting them. I'm always nervous that I'm going to cut through them, that's why I tend to rip them open rather than cut them. Ooh, here they are. I'm very excited about these. These are a pair of jeans from China. Should have probably shown that side first. This is a company called MBB Car, and they are a vintage denim company from China. They're not easily accessible, and I got these ones off of AliExpress, but I actually had to send a message to them because originally they didn't have delivery to Australia, and then when I sent them a message, they were like, yep, no problem, and they had to adjust the price a little bit, but they were able to make it so I could order them off of AliExpress. They are a selvage denim jean, and they're a special edition that they did, and they're a bootcut selvage. Let's have a look. Yep, there it is. There's the selvage ID. Very nice looking jean. They called them their brushed cotton, and actually, yeah, that's actually quite nice. It's a brushed. It's brushed on the inside, which is actually really nice. As you can see, they're quite a dark indigo, which is very nice. And they've got they've got two leather patches on the back there. Got that one there, but this one as well. So this is what they call their Princess Iron Fan. Yes, so if you know the story Journey to the West, the Chinese story, which is what the TV series like Monkey and Monkey Magic was based off of, with the Monkey King, Princess Iron Fan was one of the characters from that book, and they actually did a whole series of these jeans. They had one called Red Boy, which is the son of Princess Iron Fan, and also they did a Bull Demon King pair as well. But this Princess Iron Fan pair is the bootcut pair, and yeah, I've actually been wanting to get a pair of the MBB Car jeans for a while. They do a whole bunch of very interesting different designs and styles, but I'm really, really impressed with these. They cost me, including delivery, they cost me about $140. If you wait for a sale, you can probably get them a little bit cheaper. But oh yeah, it's got the detailing there as well, which is really nice. The leather labels actually feel really nice. Like they're a really nice thickness, and but they're not like really hard and firm. Let's have a look at the other details. So we've got the steel button there. Oh, we need a bit more light. Hang on a sec. There we go. Might be able to see the camera reflecting, but hey, hang on, let's change positions a bit. Okay, so I've just changed positions a little bit there. Yeah, so you've got the steel button, is nice. It's got a nice, it's got the name put on there as well. You've got the rivets in all the pockets. Let's have a look at the back there. They don't. Oh, maybe it's hard to tell. Do they have? No, maybe not. They don't seem to have hidden rivets in the back that I can. Not that it's absolutely necessary. If the stitching is good, you don't really need that. I can't sort of feel any hidden rivets in there, so I don't think they've got hidden rivets in the back pocket. Yeah, they're actually very, very nice. I quite like the look of them. I've got a size 34. Oh, and they've even got, that's nice, the printing on the inside of the pocket bag. Yeah, the brushed on the inside is very nice. It's got the chain stitching around the bottom there. Let's have a look down the bottom. Yep, they've got the chain stitching on the bottom too. As I said before, the Selvage ID, which is very nice. They're a nice weight as well. I think, can't remember exactly. Hang on a moment, I'll go check. Yep, so they are a 16-ounce denim, so not super, super heavy, but they are definitely a heavyweight denim. So that, yeah, got a bit of heft to them, which is quite nice. Look, yeah, I'm very, very happy with the look of the jeans. Let's just do a few quick measurements just so you can get an idea. Okay, so these are a size 34. So flat measurements, you're looking at almost 17, about 17, just under maybe 6 3/4, so 17.43 centimeters, maybe a tiny bit less than that. The front block from the crotch to the top of the, you're looking at 12, what's that, probably 12, well no, probably 13 I would say, 12 and a, well, no, it's probably 12 and a half if we take it from the actual stitch point. You're looking at 12, 12 and a half, so 31 and a half centimeters, something like that. Your pockets, you're looking at, what's that, 4.5 inches, 11 and a half centimeters. Width of the pockets, looking at, what's that, 4 3/4, so 12 centimeters. Let's have a look. So there's a zip. It is a, let's see if you can see that there. It is a YKK zipper. Focus, there we are. Zipper length. About 5.5 inches, 14 centimeters. Let's have a look at the back. All right, your back pocket to the top of the jeans is 5 inches, 12.5 centimeters. Pocket width at the top, 7 inches. Well, that's actually, although saying that actual, because it's quite a wide stitch there, so really you can only get your hand in from there. So real actual pocket width is really 5.5 inches, 14 centimeters. Depth, what's that, 6 3/4, about 17 centimeters. So it's not a bad sized pocket. It's not tiny. but it's not overly massive either. I really quite like, actually I didn't notice that before, if you can sort of see the stitching colouring, because you've got the sort of tobacco coloured stitching on the outside, but it's actually green stitching for the design on the back pockets, which is really nice, and that obviously matches the green on the leather patch as well, which is quite nice. Yeah, quite like that. All right, let's have a look at thigh width. Now, obviously, they do have the sizing, all these sizing things on the website on AliExpress, but I always like to do the measurements just to compare. So you're looking at your upper thigh. What's that? It's 12 inches, about 30 centimeters. Let's have a look at the narrowest point. So narrowest point is around there. So it's about 9 inches at the narrowest point. So not particularly narrow, and that's about 9 inches, 23 centimeters. And then the flare at the bottom, you're looking at 10 inches, about 25.5 centimeters. Now, they didn't come in different leg lengths, so I'm almost certainly going to have to get these taken up. So we'll just measure I think it's about 34 inches, the inseam that these came with. Let's just do that. Oh no, inseam is actually only about 29 inches, maybe 30, about 30 inches, which is 76 centimeters. Interesting. I'll try these on and see, because yeah, they didn't have different leg lengths. I'll just do the outside measurement as well. So outside measurement is about 41 inches, so about 104 centimeters. So interesting. Well, look, I might try them on and see how they fit, and yeah, give you all my final initial thoughts. Before I show you all how they fit, you know what's coming. Hit that like, subscribe, keep up to date with everything we're doing. We'd really love you to. It's free, it helps our channel grow, and we would love you if you could. All right, here we are. There they are on. Just to give you all reference, I am 170 centimeters in height, which is about, I think, 5'7", and I am 80 kilos, which is 196 pounds, I think. And these are a size 34, and they fit absolutely like a glove. I certainly could not go down a size. They are actually very comfy through the thigh. They're a lot slimmer in the block than some of my other bootleg jeans. So just keep that in mind. They're not, you know, they're very comfortable. I actually wouldn't need to wear a belt with these. They fit so well. They're really soft and comfy. The brushing on the inside is really, really, really comfy. The pockets feel really nice, easy to access. They've got the square cut rather than the angled cut like on the Lee Riders. But yeah, they're still quite easy to get my hands in the pockets, and they're a nice size pocket as well. They're not one of these tiny pockets that you can only get your hand in halfway. So very comfy there. And definitely the length, the inseam is actually quite short, which is perfect for me because I'm a shorter guy. But for any of you who are sort of in the, you know, 5'11", 6 foot above range, these probably aren't going to suit you because you're not going to have much more length. I could probably get away with these the length they are, but yeah, I'd probably still want to maybe take about an inch off considering my height. They're certainly mid-cut, so they're certainly not a high cut jean. They sit quite comfortably, and yeah, the flare on the bottom is a nice flare. It's not, once again, not an overly huge flare, and certainly not bell bottom style, but yeah, they're very comfy. I'm very impressed with these. Yeah, I'll have to give them a bit of a wear in, let you all know how they go. For a pair of selvage jeans, and bootcut jeans in selvage are actually quite rare. They're hard to find. So yeah, I'm actually really impressed with my initial thoughts on these, and yeah, I'll give them a wear in for a week or so, and yeah, give you all my full review in a week or so. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have been enjoying the video, give us a like, subscribe if you want to keep up to date with us, and both those things really help our channel grow and allow more people to see our videos as well. So thank you very much, and we'll see you all in the next one.